What's up, guys? Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com, and we have a question from Dusty here, talking about how he screwed up his panel. See if I can get a bigger image for you here. By buffing it out, he burned the paint basically. So you can see that he pretty much, and this is, it sucks, and it's tough because there's really no easy fix for this. If you burn a panel like this, and I believe this is the hood. Let's see where he's working on. I mean, it looks like the hood to me. Looks like this is the windshield. That's the hood. What's the best way to fix it? Well, the only way to really fix it is to just wash the hood down really well. With a degreaser like dish soap, right? Sand it down and reshoot it, because you're gonna have to rebase this area here, and you're gonna have to rebase this, right? And then you're gonna have to clear the whole hood. That's the only way to do it, because you're not gonna be blending something in the middle of a hood like this, right? It's not gonna be right. So I'm sorry to tell you that you have to redo the panel, but you have to redo the panel, and just be careful next time when buffing. Here's a big tip when buffing, okay? Especially on edges. Now, the wheel normally goes clockwise. The buffer goes this way, okay? So when you're buffing an edge like this, you want to make sure you hold your buffer. It's hard to you want to make sure you're buffing off the edge. So you want to be buffing this way. You don't want to be buffing this way, because you're catching. The wheel is going to come and it's going to catch. It's going to catch. It's going to catch. You see the difference? So when you're buffing like this, if your buffer is going clockwise, it's spinning this way, right? You could even hold it straight this way. So if your buffer looks like this, but you can't because you have a piece of glass here. Right, you got a piece of glass here, so you can't hold your buffer. Let's just say, for instance, your buffer looks like this. Okay, then you got your buffing wheel, and then the buffer, and you hold it here, right? And it's spinning this way. You can't, you would do it like this, so it buffs down from the lip, but you can't because this is in the way. So you're going to have to turn your buffer this way. Okay, this is your handle, your trigger, and whatnot. Okay, and then you're going to want to buff off the corner. So it's going to go this way. Okay, so it's a huge trick on buffing, because when you get into the lip like this, the edge, and you're buffing this way, well, this way's okay. I'm saying, if you have your buffer this way, it's no good. All right, so that's pretty much my tip for you there. If you guys have any questions or comments, comment down below. What do you guys think? Should you blend in the middle of a hood like this? I believe this is the middle of the hood. That's what it looks like to me. And it looks like this is the windshield. I believe it's a very hard image to see to see where this is. It's got to be the hood. This looks like a hinge or something. But let me know in the comments down below. If you're brand new to this channel, please like, share, subscribe. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. And be sure to check out LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com to get yourself a completely revised interactive training auto body guide. So there's tons of topics in this guide. All you have to do to get it is just go to LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com, or if you're on mobile watching this video, click this. You're going to have a little drop down. You can click it. You'll come to the site like this, where you can put your email and get it. If you're on a desktop, just look down below in the description here. Okay, and you'll be able to click it, come here, and download your free guide. Also, don't forget to check out VIP. VIP is amazing. Don't take it from me. There's tons of testimonials that we have floating all over the internet. And that's pretty much it. So the guide's super interactive. You're going to be able to, like, it says something about buffing, right? You click it, it'll take you to a video on buffing. So it's super interactive. All right, I think you're really, really going to like it. It's Tony here. Talk to you soon. Have a great day. All right, bye.